Welcome to Solver Fee.
First, we will write the given data as f is given as 3000 IB and mu_s is given as 0.2. Mu_s dash is given as 0.1. Now, drawing the free body diagram of wedge B. So, drawing the diagram of wedge B, and after that we will show all the forces that are acting on this wedge B with the help of the given data in the question. This angle is given as 15 degree. This is N. This is 0.1 N. This is ND, and here it is 0.2 ND. This is 3000 IB. Now going further, we will solve this problem by solving forces along x direction. So solving the forces along the x direction, we can write summation of fx is equal to 0. So n sin 15 degree minus 0.1 n cos 15 degree minus nd is equal to 0. Let it be equation 1. And solving the forces along the y direction. So we can write summation of fy is equal to 0. So we have n cos 15 degree plus 0.1 n sin 15 degree plus 0.2 nd is minus 3000 is equal to 0. Let it be equation 2. Now going further, we will solve equation 1 and equation 2. We will get on solving this equation. First, let multiplying by 0.2 to equation 1. We have 0.2 n sin 15 degree minus 0.02 n cos 15 degree minus 0.2 nd is equal to 0. So plus 1 n sin 15 degree plus n cos 15 degree plus 0.2 nd is equal to 0. So on adding this, we can get the value as n sin 15 degree under bracket 0.3 plus n cos 15 degree under bracket 1 minus 0.02 is equal to 3000. Now going further and solving this problem. So we can write n 1.02425 is equal to 3000. On solving, we get the value of n as this. Now going further, from equation 1, we have nd is equal to 2929 sin 15 degree minus 0.1 into 2929 cos 15 degree. On solving further, we get nd is equal to 475.2 IB. Now going forward and consider wedge A and floor C. So drawing the diagram now and showing all the forces that are acting under this figure. So here it is NC, here it is 2.2 NC, and this angle is angle 15 degree. Here it is P, and here it is F is equal to 0.1 into 2929 is equal to 292.9 IB. Now going further and solving this problem, we can write this angle as 15 degree, and this is n is equal to 2929 IB. Now on solving further, we can write consider equilibrium condition. So along equilibrium condition in x direction, we have summation of fx is equal to 0. On solving, we can write 0.2 nc plus 292.9 cos 15 degree minus 2929 sine 15 degree minus p is equal to 0. Let it be equation 3. Now going further and solving, we have equilibrium condition along a y-axis. So now solving the y-axis under the equilibrium condition. So we have NC minus 292.9 sine 15 degree minus 2929 cos 15 degree is equal to 0. So on solving further, we have NC is equal to 2905 IB. So from equation 3, we have P is equal to 0.2 into 2905 plus 292.9 cos 15 degree minus 2929 sin 15 degree. On solving, we get P is equal to 106 IB. That is answer.